These are the Jordan 34 Low Racer Blue. Let's go! What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're gonna have a closer look on these sneakers. These are the Jordan 34 Low Racer Blue. Okay guys, before we continue with this video, let me just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away up to 13 sneakers. All you need to do is check out the description box down below and follow every single one of the mechanics. We have 10 sneakers from this channel and another 3 together or in collaboration with my YouTuber friends. So check out the description box again and follow every single one of the mechanics. So now guys, it's time to have a look on these sneakers. These are the Jordan 34 Low Racer Blue. Okay, this is such a beauty. So these sneakers are already available at Nike Park stores in the malls, or you can also order these online. Now these sneakers are retailing for 8,095 pesos, or in US dollars about 165 US dollars. The first version was released last year, if I'm not mistaken, about October. And the second version was also released late last year, which is the Jordan 34 SE. And then early this year, they released the Jordan 34 Lows, which is this one. And it has currently, here in the Philippines, we have 3 colorways already. However, in the US, they have so many colorways that are available already in the low version. Now, the look of these sneakers is almost similar to the Jordan 34s or the Jordan 34 mids. The only difference is that it is a little bit lower. Now, comparing this to the Jordan 34 SEs is a totally different upper. They only have the same midsole and outsole. But the upper, as you know, the Jordan 34 SEs have a shroud on top, which is also nice. So now let's check out the details of these sneakers. This sneakers is actually almost exactly the same as the Jordan 34 mids. So let's start with the bottom of the sneakers, which is the outsole. So the outsole has the same pattern of herringbone, multi-directional herringbone pattern, as you can see. So the Jordan 34 SE, and this low has exactly the same pattern of the outsole. Now this one also features the round cutouts, where you can see a zoom, and then the Jumpman here, and then another zoom over here. Now over on the edge of the heel, you will see here J4 to 34, so that's Jordan 4 to 34, and then it's February 1989 to 2019. So basically this is a nod to the Jordan 4 for its 20th anniversary. Moving on to the midsole, the midsole is exactly the same as the Jordan 34s. So it has injected pylon as the main component of these sneakers, but of course the star of this technology or this midsole is the Eclipse Plate over here. So this is the Eclipse Plate, and as you can see inside, you will see the yellow zoom unit. So basically these sneakers have 2 zoom units, one on the forefoot, a bigger one, and then another one, hex zoom unit or zoom pod on the heel. Based on what I gathered with all the reviews of other YouTubers, they're all saying that the Jordan 34 is actually one of the best performing, if not the best performing number Jordan in terms of performance in basketball. And I'm not surprised why, because I've also tried to play not on these but on the Jordan 34 mids. I tried playing in those and it's really comfortable, and you can really feel the zoom unit on the especially on the forefoot. You can feel also the zoom unit on the heel, but the most distinguishing part is in the forefoot, or the zoom on the forefoot. The injected pylon also helps out because it's very soft. As you can see, if you push it, it's really plush. So I guess they nailed it this time with this Eclipse technology that they're using. It is definitely better, or way better, than the Jordan 33. I had the Jordan 33s as well, and I'm not really a fan of it. I mean, it's too bulky for me. But the Jordan 34s are definitely the lightest number Jordan that they ever made. Now let's move up to the upper of the sneakers. The upper of the sneakers is nothing really special in terms of being luxurious or being premium. There's no premium material that was used on the upper compared to the SEs, because the SEs had real leather on it. This one only have synthetic leather and plastic mesh. Now the main difference between this one and the Jordan 34 mids, apart from the Jordan 34 mids being high, is the toe area, because on the Jordan 34 it doesn't have this toe area over here, additional padding on the toe area for additional protection. The Jordan 34 only had mesh with fuse overlay. Now the other difference between this one and the Jordan 34 mids is the heel area. I'm not sure if you've watched my review on the Jordan 34 mids. I don't have my Jordan 34 mids now because I've sold it already. But based on my review, the Jordan 34 mids has a separate heel area. However, for this one, it's just one construction. So it's part of the whole upper, which is the same construction as the Jordan 34 SEs. Now moving back to the toe area, the toe area is made out of synthetic leather with print. As you can see, this has the gray prints. The name of these sneakers is actually Racer Blue. However, when I checked it on StockX, the name of these sneakers is Print or Blueprint. I'm not sure why it's different, but yeah, that's how it's called. So yeah, this one has a printed gray toe area in synthetic leather, and then basically majority of the upper is made out of this plastic mesh, as you can see, both the lateral and the medial side, which makes these sneakers very light. Now this one also has the underlying cloth, which you can see the printed area over here, which is also the same as the Jordan 34 mids, and then you can see where it ends over here, so it's also see-through. Basically the side of this one in the Jordan 34 mids is almost exactly the same. You won't even notice it when you're just looking at it at a glance, because they actually look alike. Now let's move on to the heel part of the sneakers. You will see there's a plastic mesh that is covering the elephant print on the bottom, as you can see, and then you have the Jumpman logo in yellow. Now I like the hot pink stitches on the top and on the sides of the heel. It gives a little bit of pop to the sneakers. It makes it really nice. But what I like about these sneakers is the ankle containment. The ankle containment on this one, even though it is a low sneakers, is very good. As you can see, there's a very thick ankle collar over here, which actually cups your heel and protects your ankles. Now moving on to the front side of the sneakers, as you can see, there is a fuse felt material on the bottom or on the top of the toe, and then the synthetic leather on the sides, which connects to the lace loops. Now the laces is your regular flat laces, which is actually one of the main issues about these sneakers. Now the main issue that I had on these sneakers when I tried the Jordan 34 mids is the laces, because with this type of lacing system, you can easily tighten the sneakers. You can easily, it's very easy to tighten it. But the problem is, it also gets easily loosened up, because the laces that they use and the lace holders is actually loose. It's not really, it doesn't hold up. So once you're using it, once you're playing on these, it easily gets loose. But that's only a minor issue. Now the tongue of the sneakers, I'm not sure if you could see, it's neoprene with holes to give more breathability to the sneakers. And now on the tongue of the sneakers is actually felt material. I'm not sure if you could see, but in front you have the synthetic leather with the Jumpman logo in hot pink, and then flight stitch in blue. And on top of that, you have this half circle over here, which symbolizes the eclipse. Now, as I mentioned on my previous review of the Jordan 34 mids, I'm not really sure what is this for. So if any of you knows what is this for, let me know on the comment section down below. I tried fitting this one when I was buying these. However, that was a short time. So now let me just try this and show you guys how it looks on feet. Do you like how it look on feet? Actually, I have another pair of these, and that is the Jordan 34 Low Heritage. We will also do a closer look on those sneakers, but definitely these sneakers, for me, in my opinion, are fire. They are really, really nice, and they're really, really comfortable based on the amount of time I've worn them. I haven't played on these yet, so I don't know what is the performance for these sneakers, but I'm sure that it's also going to be the same as the performance of the Jordan 34 mids. Now guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are these worth 8,095 pesos or 165 US dollars? Let me know on the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. And guys, before we end this video, let me just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away up to 13 sneakers. Please do check out the description box down below and follow every single one of the mechanics so that you have a chance to win one of those sneakers. Anyway guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.